Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to be looking at a coolant hose. I popped one the other day. You've probably seen the video of it. So yeah, we're going to get stuck into that. I'm waiting for the part to arrive, but might as well start taking off the manifold, get the old part out and have a bit of a tidy up in there whilst we're at it. So let's get stuck in. First thing we're going to do, get the manifold out of the way so we've got a bit more access to this pipe, and then we'll go from there. So that's the pipe we need to remove. So get this bolt off this bracket, get the clamps off, and see how easy it comes out. So we've removed the hose clamps, taken both hoses off. The new part has arrived today, and we can see that last connection is just push fit. So I'm going to get that one off. Well, that was easy enough. Right, we've got that on, clamps are done, so we'll pop the manifold back on and we can fill her up. Top the cooler up now, so just letting the engine run, get up to heat, then we can bleed it using the valve at the top, make sure levels are right. I've done a video on coolant change before, but you're waiting for the temperature to get up to halfway, so the pumps kick in, and you can get that coolant round the system. We've come out for a quick drive, let everything get up to temperature. Seems to be holding well. When we pull it back, we'll just have a quick look underneath, make sure we're all dry. But no, seems to be good. So I hope that's helped some of you guys. If you got any questions, leave them down in the comments. Feel free to find me on Facebook, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers!